how to create a pet supplies and accessories store on Shopify and make money online. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create your own online store using this platform. So let's get started first by showing you how you can create your account in the platform. So just type Shopify in the search, then click on the first link, and then make sure to choose the first link as well, and then you will proceed to creating your account. So just go to start free trial and then type your email, then you will have your account created. After that, you will proceed to your dashboard, and this is how it's going to look like. And in your left, you will have all of the elements that you will need in order to change your store. So here we have the home, then we have the orders. It's where you can check every order you have. You can see your total orders, the ordered items over time. You can see your returns, your fulfilled orders over time as well. Then we have the products. It's where you can create a new product, or you can import products from other websites. For example, CG dropshipping. You can import products from there. Then we have the customers, content, the analytics. And this is important as well. It's where you can see all of the data about your store, from your total sales to your online store conversion rate, your online store sessions, the average order value as well. Then we have the online store. This is where we're going to start changing the design of our store. So here, click on view your store to see how it looks like first. So this is our store and this is how it looks like. So here, let's go back, and this is our current theme, the theme that we're using right now. The name is Taste, and by scrolling down, you will see that we have a lot of themes to choose from. So click on visit theme store, and here give it a few seconds to load. So here we can browse all of the themes. We have 174 themes and 12 of them are free. So here, let's give it a few seconds to load, and those are the free themes. So here we will need to find a theme that will match our requirement. So here we want to create a pet supplies and accessories store. So let's see if we can find a theme that is related to pet supplies or accessories. So here, I don't think we have something like that. We have this one for food, studio, juices, craft, down, origin, spotlight. Let's check this theme, for example. Its name is Ride. So here, click on view demo store. This is how the theme is looking like. It's about selling these surfing boards. I think we can turn this into a pet supplies and accessories store. You can just change the products and the texts to our own texts. So let's try this theme. Click on try theme to have it installed on your dashboard. So give it a few seconds to load. And here it's been installed. Let's give it a few seconds. And this is it. It's here right now. We will need to click on publish to make it our current theme. So just give it a few seconds to load. So here, click on publish, and then you will have it as your current theme. Here, click on publish, and here click on customize to start changing it. So guys, I choose this platform for a very good reason, because it's very easy to change or to design the store that you have in mind with this platform. You can just choose whatever you'd like to change. For example, if I want to change the announcement bar, you can just click on it, then you will be able to change it in your list. You will not have to go first and search for it in here. Where is the announcement bar? And when you want to change the footer, for example, you will need again to look for it. You will just scroll down and choose the part that you want to change. For example, if I want to change the subheading, I will just click on it directly, then I will be able to change it. So let's go back and let's change the announcement bar first. Here, let's turn on this option and let's leave it at 5 seconds. Then let's change the text inside the announcement bar. Here, click on the text and you can duplicate it or you can move it to the next position. So here I'm going to go back to change the text. So here let's change it to 50% off today only, like that. Then let's go back and let's add another announcement. Let's go with free shipping worldwide, like that. And here you will see that these two announcements will be rotating every 5 seconds, just like that. And then let's head to the header and let's change it as well. Here you can change the desktop logo position if you want to have it in the top left and it will take some extra space, or if you want the top center, again it will take some extra space. I'd love to have it in the middle left to save the space. And then go to the theme settings and click on logo, and here you will be able to drop the logo that you've created and you will be able to adjust it the way you want on your theme. So here, for example, I'm going to choose a picture from these 3 images just to show you an example of adjusting the logo. So for example, I'm going to choose this picture, for example. Here, click on select, and then you can change the width of your logo if you want to have it in 140 pixels and it will take a lot of space, or if you want to have it at just 90 pixels, like that. So I think, guys, you get the idea of how you can customize your theme in the platform. And just make sure when you're done with making all of your changes, make sure to click on save to save your changes. And that's it, guys, for today's video. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and share the video with your friends.